Today we have a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Huge Halloween Brawl. Huge Halloween bar brawl ends with multiple arrests.
On October 26, 2024, officers with the Des Moines Police Department were working downtown on Halloween weekend when suddenly a huge brawl erupted out of nowhere.
That was stupid. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I was trying to get her off of my foot.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
You came up and started punching her right in front of us.
I tried to leave you. That's why I'm peeing myself the whole way to your car. Like,
So they're trying to break up a fight.
Yes.
Just run in and like just start beating on people.
I'm trying to get myself out of here.
Do you got an ID on you? You got your ID? Where is it?
In my wallet.
You don't have a wallet.
Wait, no, she wasn't involved in the fight.
Whoa, who's that? Uh-oh.
Bro, why are you going to jail?
Oh, she came up and started punching people.
No, I was trying to break my friend. Oh my God.
You right?
Yeah.
Here,
I'm right. I was trying to handle my friend.
What
No,
Don't say that. Don't say that.
No,
I'm sorry.
they all trying to run up
It's
on
a bait.
her.
It's a bait.
I'm peeing
Why are
all
you
over
saying that?
myself because I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared. You want to press charges on me, but I'm scared.
Okay.
No.
Well, you're right.
I peed all over myself.
Wait, hold on.
No.
Why is she wanting to?
No. I'm
sorry.
Disorderly conduct.
What happened?
So we were breaking up a fight. She ran up like right in front of me and just started punching a girl. Like that we were trying to break up a fight. So she ran into it and started punching somebody right in front of cops.
Meanwhile, while the first officer was dealing with the original suspect, another woman, who could be seen earlier from his body cam, appears again on a different officer's perspective. This time, she's standing near another group of people engaged in a fight. As the officer approaches the group, he deploys his pepper spray in an attempt to break up the altercation. That's when the woman suddenly attacks, striking the officer with a closed fist.
Adam, 147. It's not clear to me if there are two fights.
Punch the cop. That's what you do.
Bro, she just makes me for no reason.
Where's she going?
ODT1, we have ours clear. We're gonna have one in custody.
You punched the cop. That's why.
ODT1. Yeah, it's noticed like 2 or 3 more units. They're on the street.
Hey, did you guys come across the phone?
Whole day you're gonna fight going on. And you think I'm gonna be running?
You want to send it?
But take me off the hand. You literally
Stop saying that. Stop saying
No.
Stop saying that.
Okay.
Okay?
You gotta go for disorderly, okay?
Hold on for a second.
What's your name?
Listen, Mike.
What's that?
Listen, Mike.
How do you spell that?
Lisa. Lisa.
Yep. What's
Maria.
M-A-R-I-E. That's your last name, Miss Marie?
No,
Yes.
that's my first name.
All right, what's your last name?
Deavila. Deavila. Like, there's a whole nother fight going on. And you think I'm gonna be running?
What's your birthday?
Sorry, I'm just right here for her.
Yeah, you're fine. What's your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to slide over?
It literally looks like she want to slide over.
So I did.
She did get me.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Slide over, make room. All y'all going to jail. Y'all know how to act? All right. Slide over. It's going to be one big slumber party.
Oh
Unbelievable.
Cell phones that were handed to you. You would hang on to her. They're still up.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
No, it's
okay.
not. Dude, you're going to jail.
Oh God, it's okay.
So can I put
can go to jail.
your phone in your pocket?
No,
I'm taking it.
Or you? Yeah, she
Is
can.
it okay? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is it all right?
Do you need phone numbers out of it? No, I don't. And I need to sample while you got it. Alright, throw her in there. She's good.
All right, it's time for this chick to go. The chick that's the friend or whatever. It's time for her to go. Move along. It's like, come on, you be there for a little bit or at least step out the way. It's common sense. When you see officers coming in there, especially with another suspect or whatever, step aside, man. You sitting in there reaching in, trying to grab the phone and all. You're doing too much, man. You're doing too much. It's time for you to move along. Step aside like how this lady is back here on the phone to the left. You know, no problem. But you being right up in there like that, come on, man. There we go. Perfect. Back up.
My body camera wasn't on, so.
So
Can we talk right here?
Yeah, sorry. So it's weird. There's some people fighting. We were trying to pull. I was pulling some girl off. She came up just sort of like uppercutting this chick, like just right in front of us.
Okay.
I mean, that's why she's going.
Yeah.
So it's disorderly conduct. It's not a big deal. I mean, she's got to go to jail, but so she has to go for disorderly conduct.
So I have to go through the whole process.
Yeah, so she'll go out to county and then she'll get booked in, but then it should be like $300 bond. Like, I mean, so it's a simple
I don't
misdemeanor.
know why she would do that.
I don't know why. I was like, what the hell? Like, you know what I mean? We're just trying to break it up. So obviously, I mean, it was a little over the top. So that's why she got singled out against everybody. So, but yeah, that's basically it. So.
Is it okay if she don't know my number by heart? She
Keep
doesn't
a phone,
have
or I
family.
can give a phone.
Can you give her my number?
Yeah. This belongs to one of the people in here. Did she punch you in the face?
No, she got my arm.
She lunged to get you in the face.
Well, she missed.
No.
05. No, that's her birthday. That's wrong. She said it was 09 something.
That's it. Can we just have that?
Is it okay? She doesn't know my number by heart.
I'm gonna need a new can of spray.
Here you go. Take this.
Thank you. This is mine.
Where's the one I gave you?
This one got empty.
Let me make sure. I just want to make sure we got enough people here to wait for the wagon with our prisoners. So.
Do you want us to pull one case for all? I think we have 3 or 4, or you want a separate one for this one over there?
They're all fighting, stemming from the same incident, I would guess.
I
Let's
think
do
it's
one case number for all of them. Maybe you do disorderly.
yeah, and then she hit me. So
Okay.
yeah.
Lisa Marie. I need her debit card number.
Oh, sorry.
I need your debit card number.
Are we just doing one case number for it all?
I don't know.
Or probably, I guess probably separate. What's that?
Anything, please.
Yeah. Have you had...
She haven't had no charges.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want to...
I got water for you, but I'm gonna have you step out, okay? I'm gonna dump it on your eyes.
Ha! Got her ass together, didn't he?
Lisa, it's Lisa, right?
Yes.
How do you spell it? Do you have an Iowa ID? Like an Iowa driver's license?
My friend probably have it on her.
Okay. But you have
You
an
can
Iowa.
ask her. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
She has.
Okay. Just take that for me. Do you have her ID?
Yes, sir.
Can I see it real quick?
Yes,
I just-
sir. Yeah.
Give it to her.
I'm sorry, this is a vape. Is it okay if you hold this, please? And my phone.
Yeah.
And my keys. Anaya, what is your name? How do you spell it?
A-N-I.
I'm going to take this in the car for a second.
ODT2.
Excuse me. Hey, are you guys done at 1:30? You got about 7 minutes left. We're probably gonna have to cut the line, I guess. Yep. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Anaya, is your license out of Iowa? No.
Are you from Chicago, Illinois, right, Naya?
They were then transported to the Polk County Jail, where they were both booked and charged with disorderly conduct. If you enjoy the content we produce,
just don't make no sense, man. You go out and just anger issues, man. Just go have a good time with your friends. Where does the fighting and all of that stuff stem from? I don't get it, man. I really don't. And then you're gonna do it right in front of the cops? Like, how dumb are you? All right, y'all having an issue? Okay, at least duck off a little bit right in front of the cops. You gonna uppercut her right in front of the cop? Like, come on, man. It's one of them things you just asking to go to jail. When you do that, it's just, you might as well say, hey, take me to jail. Yeah, like, come on, man. Come on, man. And then you got the secretary over here. Hey, what's your name? How do you, da-da-da. Like, damn, what the hell? Is she the liaison for the civilians or something? Like, what the hell going on over here? But yeah, man, this is wild case, man. People can't control their alcohol. Typical Halloween, man. What else would you expect? The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.